received.
Do you have any idea where your lawyer is today?
I don't have one yet. I'm still
So
waiting.
Jason White's not your lawyer?
No, he was.
So tell me why it's been going dead.
Well, I mean, typically it's because I go to work, but for several days at a time, I understand that there's probably no excuse for that. But I do charge it as much as possible.
So what is it? What is it? 2 hours a day?
2 hours a day. We prefer 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon.
I know you can do that.
I think so. I have a feeling there's something wrong with my ankle monitor though, because
Okay, so we could put another one on there.
one night I charged it all night, and then I got a phone call the next day, said it was dead by 10 a.m.
Did you roll over and it was, pulled the little charger off?
No, well, yeah, after hours I rolled over and it plugged out the wall, but that was hours later. It charged all
Well,
night.
how you know if you were asleep?
That it plugged out the wall? Oh, I'm a very light sleeper.
Okay, can we get a new one? All right, if you have a seat over there, we'll give you a new one, okay? When you come back, don't let me hear that you ain't got any charging, okay?
Okay.
So 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. What time do you work?
Well, it depends. I'm a professional tattoo artist, so
Okay.
after they make their money, then I make my money.
All right, so what time do you go to work typically?
It all depends. Sometimes by 12 p.m. I'm there. Sometimes by 12 a.m. I'm there.
And then what time do you go to sleep? What time do you go to sleep?
Whenever I'm not working.
What time do you get up in the morning?
It depends on it. Typically, I get up around 8:30 to take my son to school.
So
But
take him to school, you go back to your house?
most of the times, yes.
Then you got an hour to charge it. All right, have a seat over there. She'll get you a new one, okay?
Okay, quick question.
What's that?
You did say the one time that after having them on for so long that the judges were taking them off. I've had this on my ankle for years. And
When'd you get it put on?
I don't know, at least 2 or 3 years ago.
23? All right, same thing. I'll email Judge Williams, see what she says.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's see. I've got McKinley Drakeford.
Case was accepted into adult diversion on December 2nd of last year by Judge Carnesel.
On this one?
Yes.
Did they remove it?
Unclear from Odyssey.
Do you know, Bostic, if they remove it?
No, they should know.
Still showing active, but it hasn't tracked since January.
That would explain since he took a plea.
Then when? January?
She said December, so.
Yeah, okay.
Adult diversion.
All right, so
Right, that's not an adjudication formally, like a
What?
plea or something like that. That's a program, and then the case will be adjudicated, so.
Explain to
There's
them.
nothing to say that it's not still active as
bro, why is it in judicial hold? I'll just see if he completes it.
correct.
Let's see. When did he have it put on? Do you know?
5/23/23. When he was released.
So it was in 23. What?
So that would have been a whole year and 7 months, December.
Mr. Jenkins, what's your position?
Our positions, well, first of all, certainly, it's been on for a while. We just need to know what the status is in connection with his completion of the program. So we just need to check in on him, Mac, and report within
Okay.
a day or two as to, what his status is.
Okay, we'll do that. What about, okay, number 5, I got Jane Smith.
Not tracking, Your Honor.
Since,
She also has a hold for probation violation out of Lawrenceville.
and there's a,
5/13/23, Your Honor. Day after it was installed.
yeah, well, that's good.
Well, Judge, since.
We have her being released in, she said in 23. We have her being released 6/29/23.
It was originally installed, which was the previous company on 5/12/23, and then it died. We have her leaving the jail on 5/12. I don't know if she went back.
All right, well, she's not here.
Subject to good notice. Your Honor, state would request a benchmark bond.
All right, and I don't see where it got returned. Okay. All right, let's see, Paris Drayton.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Mr. Drayton's here. He has been on an ankle monitor for what, 2.5 years since April, I believe, of 23. He's here in President Court and has been showing up for his hearings. I'd request that the court consider removing the ankle monitor at this point.
So how's he doing, ankle monitor?
So we've not tracked, Mr. Drayton since 8/7/25, and we have no active phone numbers. We've tried to reach out several times. And we have him started in 2024, April 30th, 2024.
24.
Whoops, hold on, let's hear from Bostic. What about it, pretrial?
He was released 4/26/23. There was an arrest here for an FTA 5/19/25. When did you say you last tracked?
8/7/25.
I would have thought that they.
What's been
cut it
happening
off.
since August?
I don't know, I've been charging it, but sometimes, well, I don't know, because in the past, I've had it placed like 3 or 4 times, and like charging.
So I didn't understand what you said before that. You said,
So I don't have it replaced about 3 or 4 times.
Mhm.
And not charging correctly.
are you charging it 2 hours a day, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening?
2 hours. They told me to charge it 1 hour.
I think the piece of paper that they give you says 2 hours total, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay. Did you read the piece of paper?
I'm not sure, that was so long ago, because it was about like 2023, but I know I logged them a month or 2 ago, and I updated them, gave them my other number, they should have both of my phone numbers on file.
And I can get with the ankle monitoring company and give them a good phone number.
All right, so here's what we'll do. I mean, get a new one put on and then I'll email Judge Cox, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so get a new one, new charger, whatever you got to get. You want to have a seat over there? I mean, not your lawyer, but you. All right?
Thank you, Your
Uh-huh.
Honor.
All right, you too. I got Felton Jordan. All right.
Release 8/24/23, but it was a arrest on an FTA 7/21/25.
What about it, ankle monitor?
Your Honor, we have several inclusion violations. We have, a bond order, it's a 24/7 curfew with exception of work. We have a home address of 4036 Kidder Drive, Southwest Atlanta. We have a work at 1095 Ralph David Abernathy, hasn't reported there for 60 days. Stay away from 3200 Delmar Lane. Constantly tracking at 920 Capitol Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia, some point every day. 6445 Old National Highway for approximately an hour and 30 minutes. Another inclusion violation at Capitol Avenue, 920 Capitol Avenue for 5 hours. Again, on the 21st and on the 1st. So consistently not at the addresses given for purposes of leaving home.
I just recently checked.
Come on up to the podium. I can't hear you.
And Judge, I would just point out, this is LaSawn Edelman's client.
Yeah.
He's been appearing in front of Judge Carter. So hold on just a second, sir. And we, none of those violations are listed in the notes. So
That you
did
got,
not have
yeah.
notice of any of them except for one inclusion violation on August 21st and one curfew violation on August 18th and an inclusion violation on August 18th. Everything else is new information. So we would ask.
Come on up beside me. So what's been happening? I mean, so is this something where,
It was an address change, that's it.
is a who?
It was an address change, that's all it was. When I did come in, I recently talked to the bail bonds company,
Mhm.
definitely, about 916 Capitol View. That's where I stayed.
So it looks like there's a place you're supposed to stay away from.
Oh, that's Delmar.
Right,
That's
obviously
my-
you're going somewhere. What is the exclusion zone? Is it like,
Like 500 feet.
so it's like 500 feet. So is there a reason that you go within 500 feet?
If it would be anything, it'll be going past it now.
Oh,
That's it.
like, okay, is that,
The 73, it go past it, it goes straight to Peachtree Movers on Fulton Industrial.
so does it show how long it was there?
I don't have that information really.
Yeah, I definitely wasn't nowhere near the area over there.
Is there another way that you could go by any chance?
Yeah, most definitely, if I have to, I can go all the way around. I'll catch a lift. It doesn't even matter. I'm definitely ain't been doing nothing
All right, well,
out of pocket.
can you do that for me?
Yes,
Bostic,
ma'am.
what do you say?
He doesn't have anything, he was arrested for an FTA on this case.
Yeah, that was because of address switch.
And then you cleared that?
Yeah, you gotta keep
Yeah,
that, where you
and
gotta
I
give,
was here.
yeah, you gotta give your lawyers the address, the Ankle Monitor Company, and make sure the clerk has it.
Yes, I recently made a payment and I had none called. He definitely updated it. and stuff.
Sure. All right,
The bonding company, he has to go to the clerk's. The bonding office is not where you change your address. You gotta go to the clerk's office here
Downstairs.
on the second floor, I believe.
Well, I
So it can
definitely,
be in our system, not the,
I could definitely stop by the, like, walk by just to make sure and double check. Definitely won't happen again. I'm not trying to go through the same thing again.
so what about Mr. Jenkins? So Ms. Feely, how about this? And Mr. Jenkins, that email Judge Carcel, let them know, but so until you hear back from one of us or your next time, just, try to go over there. Cause I don't want you getting,
I don't want it either.
Okay.
Definitely don't want it.
all right, thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good one.
So.
Did Christian Dixon come show up yet? Christian Dixon. What about Eric Miller, also known as
Yes,
James
ma'am.
Miller?
The floor and get the form.
Thanks, sir.
they've already entered a
Thank
bench
you.
warrant for
Yeah,
her
You have a blessed.
for not showing.
All right,
Man showed up, man just walked in.
number 8, Deshun Richards. Come on up, Mr. Richards. What we got, Bostic?
Got out 6/28/23, no new arrests.
How about an ankle monitor?
Your Honor, this one is very interesting. So we have a home address of 416 Lindsay Street. He's repeatedly asked us to have 2 addresses, which we cannot do. He's given us a work address of UPS at 3201 Century Park, Atlanta, Georgia, and then a Dollar Tree. But that's not where we have him tracking for work. We have him going to on 1010 on North Decatur Road at 9:09 a.m. on 9/16 at 321 Swanton Way, Decatur, Georgia, 1026 882 Fox Street, 1025 360 Joseph E. Lowry, 1024 336 Joseph E. Lowry. I have 23 pages of track points for just October that do not coincide with the work addresses given.
Is this one yours, Ms. Feeny?
It's not, Judge, but again,
Yeah.
most of these are not listed, and the ones that are, there's no specificity. So I'm once again asking on the record, can I please have these violations ahead of time?
See, I don't know. Is that what Ms. Burns sent you? So hold on.
Nobody sent me anything.
I thought Ms. Burns got you so you could reach out, that you got whatever you get.
All Ms. Burns sent an email saying I could look in the notes, but the notes just say 1010 inclusion violation, but no address, no time, nothing that we could actually defend. or-
Oh, I don't know. I see like,
There's more on this one, but not.
yeah,
anything
there's a
close-
bunch of them.
Not anything close to 23 pages, and we're entitled to that if they're using it.
So I guess it says inclusion, dead battery. So I don't,
But given that he has had no new arrests, he just had case management last week with Judge Cox, and he, I guess, should wait for his private attorney because nobody from my office has filed an entry at this time.
right. So let me ask you a question. Okay, I don't want to hear anything about your case. Have you moved?
Have I moved?
You live at a different address?
No, I gave them a full address. I gave them a whole rundown of my life. The only
Stand by.
thing what has changed.
Stand by. Do you have new jobs?
I'm changing jobs now. It's as of this week, these past 2 weeks. I'm changing my day job from Dollar Tree, which I was a manager there.
So hold on,
So-
this isn't going to count as you changing it.
Yeah.
So have you heard from Mr. Jones, your lawyer?
No, I haven't talked to him because he's been out. He did a continuance on the case management. He was out for, due to something with the hospital, something like that. I don't know. He's not gonna be able to come in at this time or talk to him.
So we'll put you back on the next calendar, but until then, you need to make sure that every bit of your information is updated with, I'd call and give it to him and I'd email him.
I have called and gave it to them. I have emailed. They have argued with my managers. I have went through it with this company, and I have been on this monitor for 3 years. I have not caught any arrests. I do not deal with nothing but work and my family, and I have broke that down to them.
But so
And I
you,
gave them on paper, black and white, all my addresses, everything I'm gonna do, and I be at home at the address where I'm supposed to be at, Lindsay. Other than that, I'm at North Decatur.
okay, so
and
hold on a second. So you have some, there's an address you're not supposed to go around. Do you know that?
Yes, I don't go around that address at all.
All
That's in
right, is
Somerville.
that, listen, is that a place that you have to drive by?
No, sometimes it depends on it depends on which way I'm going. Like if I'm going to my granddaddy house, which is the address I gave them, the other address I gave them, like sometimes I'll be there picking up my legal work because I use that address as my personal business, which is a LLC, Deshun's LLC.
Okay, so, but they can't have two addresses that you live.
They only have one address that I live at. That's
Am I?
116
Okay, look.
Lindsay.
All right, so we get inclusion zone violation, inclusion zone. So that means somehow you're going past, you're within 500 feet of the address you're not supposed to be near. So,
I really have I have to argue with.
Joe, I
have
don't want you to
argue.
argue with me because your lawyer's not here. So what
I'm
I
listening
would do is if you know where that place is, I'd jump on 285 if it took it to not go past that one.
I want to see the inclusions because I haven't rode past that area in probably like a year and a half for
Right.
real.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
The-
The inclusion zone violations are that he's leaving the home address we have on file with no notice of why he's leaving.
Oh, well, there you go.
Point is he's giving us addresses, but we can't have two home addresses. Like he just said, he wants to stay at his granddad's or stay here. That makes it difficult, right? Because we have him, he needs to be at home unless he's at work. The work addresses, I'm not saying he's not communicating. What I'm saying is he's not tracking
called
at the
back.
addresses he's given.
I called back just like last night.
Let her finish. I'm trying to listen to her. Go ahead. What else?
He's not going to the addresses given for the two jobs. He's going other places. That's what's creating these inclusion zone violations. As long as he goes from home to work, it's not going to give that information, right? Because we're giving him allowance to be there. It's all the other places that are creating these.
Yeah, and you know, the judge that set this bond, I kind of know this judge, stay away from Atlanta Avenue Southwest. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, no replicas of weapons. There'll be a 24-hour curfew except for job title schedules to be submitted to the attorney and now them. All right, necessity of life, medical, court, attorney visits. That sound familiar?
Yeah, they told me I can't go, and every time they call me, I have a conversation with them, and they say, "Okay, I understand where you at."
I know, but do you
I
email
talk
them
to
that too? Like, hey, I just spoke with
My
Deshun
manager-
and
my-
hold on. A court reporter can't take it down if both of us are talking,
Yeah.
right? So I would email him and say, you know, I just spoke with Deshun on the phone and he told me it was okay that I went to my granddaddy's house for an hour. That's what I would do.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I would do. So we'll put you back on another one, okay? And I'm going to email Judge Cox, but is your attorney still out on medical leave? Yes, no, maybe?
Yes, ma'am.
He's still out on medical leave? He doesn't have anybody that can fill in for him?
I haven't talked to him since I made payment before the last court date, which was the 30th.
Is it,
That's the last time I went before Judge Cox.
in March or in October 1st?
That was 2 days ago, 30th.
I got October 17th. He went there. Was he there then?
Who my attorney know he did a push. He did a push for a continuance because of medical.
So does he have anybody else in his office?
I only dealt with him. I never really dealt with anybody else. I've been dealing with him for like 12 years.
I got you. So maybe you call him and see if next time somebody in his office can appear for you, okay? Because see, this could be a day where, what if I wanted to put you in jail? You don't have anybody to argue for you.
Yeah.
You follow me? So why don't you ask him, okay? All right? So make sure, communicate with them, okay? But you can't have two home addresses. It's got to be one. I understand you got a granddaddy, and if your granddaddy's sick,
Can I?
hold on, no. See, you don't really need to say anything because all it's going to do is hurt you. If you have to go to your granddad's because he's sick, you can call them and let them know. I got it. I get you. But they can only have one main home address, okay?
We got that out the way last time we was here, and you was there. I wrote all that down. I only been at 416 Lindsay. I leave and
All
I go
right.
to work, and if they see what you call them, they probably see me getting on the bus trying to get to the train station, because sometimes I use the train, sometimes I use the car. But I don't go past unless the train is going past that area. You get what I'm saying? I don't go past that area.
Okay, well, she says because you're not going where you say you're going or something with that, right?
I'm going to work. I don't know. I work 2 jobs,
But
a
did you
day
listen?
job and a
Hold
night
on,
job.
let's just kick, like this, there it is, all right. So, did you hear what I said? So
Yeah.
she said, did you hear what she said?
I heard what she said.
All right, so make sure that you get with your lawyer and find out who can show up next time for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, number 9, Justin Nicholas. Justin Nicholas. One more time for Justin Nicholas.
Justin S. Nichols, please come to court or your bond will be forfeited.
Go ahead, Mr. Jenkins.
Thank you, Your Honor. Subject to good notice, state request bond forfeiture, bench warrant issued.
All right. All right, I'll look and see if there was no, since it's such a short calendar, I can do that. All right, thank you. Let's see, I've got Roland Philpot, number 10. Roland Philpot.
Roland Philpot, please come to court or your bond will be forfeited.
Mr. Jenkins.
Thank you, Judge. Subject to good notice issued by this court, the state requests a bond forfeiture, bench warrant issued.
Ms. Feely.
Looks like this is an RO transfer, so he doesn't currently have a public defender until, I guess it gets.
Yeah, it looks like it was Ms. Braze, huh? So it looks like on here, Ms. Feely, but you know, they always put that sticker over the address, so you can't tell where they mail it to. This is Kimberly Mill Road. So it looks like this one, so he needs to update his address. Because if he's still Kimberly Mill Road, I don't know if you guys have had any kind of communication with him, but all right, I appreciate it.
And it does look like his notice was returned, and there are no notes in Odyssey alleging any violations.
For Justin, there's
Yeah.
no violations. He's actually been great at communicating. He communicates often, so I can definitely send him a message letting him know he needs to update his address.
Yeah, with the clerk and with his lawyer.
I can send him a message.
Is that
All right, thank
position
you.
9? Is that correct, Your Honor?
Right,
All right, so we're not moving forward with the bench warrant. is that
right.
Okay, all right.
All right, Roland Philpot. Roland Philpot.
Roland Philpot, again, please come to court or your bond will be forfeited.
Bostic, what do you got?
Philpot, no new arrest, last arrest. He was released 9/14/23.
All right, and this is yours, Miss Feeney.
This is, it looks like his notice was returned, and I also don't see any notes of any violation.
On Philpot too?
On
What is it, ankle monitor?
We've not checked him,
She's
Your
not.
Honor,
You haven't tracked him?
not since we took over the contract.
But it should be tracking it now, right?
Correct.
So same thing, it looks like his notice was returned. Same thing. Sorry, Madam Court Reporter, I don't know why it keeps doing that. All right, yeah, if you want to get in touch with him too, get him to add his address. Update his address, okay? All right, let's see. Preston Howard. Preston Howard. All right, so y'all want to come on up so that at least the court reporter can hear you? What do we got, Bostic?
Release 4/14/23, no new arrests.
All right. Ankle monitor, what do you got?
Your Honor, Mr. Howard is in good standing with us. We've had 2 strap device tampers, but he has had those fixed in office promptly. Everything else has been good.
All right, I'll talk to Judge Dunaway. Have you guys?
We have, Your Honor, we still have a motion pending, to have the ankle monitor removed. We had court last in August. We talked to Judge Dunaway about that. He said he was gonna set up for another hearing. We have not had that hearing yet, and it's been well over 2 years.
All right, I'll email him today, okay, and I'll ask him about it.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right.
Can you let us know, how often are these calendars? Because I believe he does have court again in February. So when will the next compliance calendar be?
Well, so it's like twice a month, right? So it's twice a month. So it's this week, skip a week, and then the next week. So yeah, twice a month.
Okay, are these required for us, Your Honor, since he has been in compliance and we do have court coming up in February? Can we like?
Well, all I'm asking is let's just say this happens. Let's just say he goes, takes that ankle monitor off, throws it out the car window as he's going down the street.
It's been 2.5 years, Your Honor. He have two.
Maybe he wants to do it now, though. Yeah, but it'll still be a while before you come back.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I mean, it may be even after February.
It'll be-
So yeah, so if you work something out in February, just let us know, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to know, just making sure that he doesn't have, if we can bypass court before February. Because this is our second time now coming here within the last couple of months. And, you know, we're still waiting on his motion.
All right, so I'll reach out to him and let you guys know, because I know you filed it then, so. Yeah, it seems like it should. And when's he had it on since?
Say it one more time.
Oh, since 4/14/23? Okay. All right, I'll let him know and I'll call him. How about that? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, thank you.
Real quick, can I get counsel's name? I didn't hear her from the beginning. Is it Miss Challenger?
Challenger, CHALLENGER.
I see you on the calendar. I just wanted to make sure I didn't hear you initially. Thank you.
Your Honor, may we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, I've got Lona Williams. Lona Williams.
Lona Williams, please come to court with your bond be forfeit.
Miss Feely, you heard.
She was just in custody for about 2 months on the FTA and was released 9/23/25.
And it looks like she's been appearing in front of Judge Krause and tried to change her address on September 22nd and October 8th.
Have y'all had any heard from her?
We've not spoke to her. We've asked for a schedule and a job and haven't heard back. She's currently tracking. She's currently at home.
Okay, so I don't know, Miss Feely, can you see if Miss Rosenhoover can call and get her to reach out to the ankle monitoring company so we can get it figured out, and I'll ask Judge Krause, okay? And we'll check
Yes, Judge.
if she's got notice. All right, I've got Corey Shepard.
Come on up to court.
So, where's Mr. Matthews? He's not here.
He filed a conflict letter.
No, okay. Well, we got ankle monitor.
We haven't tracked Mr. Shepard since 8/9/25.
Boston.
Got out 10/12/23. No new arrests, I believe. Make sure.
So here's what we'll do. I'll obviously email. Sorry, it cut off. Who it's assigned.
But I mean, what happened was I had transferred a job to Edgewood Pizza, and some shooting started going, and I went to run it. I hit my leg. It came off. I kept going. I called in soon it happened, and I don't know if the lady was new or whatnot, and she went to explain, and but soon it happened. I called in.
I got it. So when it comes off, you need to call them, but then you need to go in and get another one put on. All right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
go over there and get another one put on.
Okay.
We'll see how much longer you need to have it on, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right.
All right, I've got MacArthur Watkins. Now, I've got that one was already removed.
Just sit in this, second here. You gonna put that mark on?
I will. As soon as we're done.
Yeah, just be patient. We'll put the other one on.
You got that? It was removed by
He
Judge.
called us and told us he removed it himself. We do not have paperwork. He said he was checking into a treatment facility, so he took it off.
Who that, Watkins?
Yes.
All right, all right, I'll check and see. Anything, Mr. Jenkins, if it hasn't been?
Well, Your Honor, if find that he hasn't, that he has received proper notice, he's not here,
All right,
so it's our normal bench warrant, but guess additional.
all right, we'll check. And I'll ask Judge Williams if it's been removed. All right, let's see, Antoine Antoine
Antoine Moon, please come to quarterly, go out before.
Bostic.
He got released on this case 8/9/23, but had a recent arrest in Fulton and was in from 9/16 to 9/18 on a theft by deception, theft by conversion, 25 CR 0056866J.
What about it, Commander?
He let his device die on 11/1. Haven't tracked since then.
11/1.
2 days ago.
Huh. But he's out of jail, right?
Yeah.
All right,
Subject to good notice, Your Honor, state request bench warrant, bond forfeiture.
okay.
This is Anthony Pete's client. He
Yeah.
had a status conference with Judge Farmer on October 30th, which is last week, and he has calendar call on November 13th. So we'd ask the court to just let Judge Farmer.
All right, I'll reach out to Judge Farmer. I don't know, did he show up? Or you know? Okay. He said his notice was returned.
Oh, it was returned.
So maybe you want to reach out to him,
Bench warrant then.
bench warrant people and tell him, or Ms. Feely, maybe you need to talk to Mr. Pete. He needs to update his address. Thank you. All right, let's see. This one, Antonio Cwley. Come on up. I guess Mr. Hudson's on trial somewhere? You still got Jacoby Hudson?
Yes.
All right. He tell you he was gonna be here?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Boston Pete trial.
9/15/23, he did have a recent arrest out of another county, 7/17/25 for criminal damage, criminal trespass, and terrorist threats, but it was dismissed.
All right. And Commander.
Your Honor, we have several dead batteries for Mr. Crawley, 10/12 to 10/15, 10/15 to 10/16, 10/19 to 10/23. It was dead on 10/30, 10/27 to 10/28, pretty consistently dead batteries.
All right. So, Mr. Crawley, what's up with it going dead?
I'm consistently busy because I have a work. I work with my family. My dad has a landscaping company, and I be having to get up from work for I be going to work from 7, and I don't be getting into the house till about 8 or 9 o'clock.
All right.
I wake
So,
up
what
with
time do you
same
get
thing.
up?
I charge my ankle monitor up once an hour. I try to every day, but every chance I get or whatever, they call my phone or they call my baby mama phone and let her know that my charge is going dead, but it's already been charged.
Okay, so, but you gotta charge it for an hour, not just charge it every hour. So, what time do you leave for work in the morning?
7 o'clock,
What time you get up? 6:55?
6:30.
Okay, so you probably want to get up a little bit earlier, right, and charge it.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that'll stink, and then when you get home, you got to charge it because it's 1 hour, twice a day. And what they need to be calling is your phone. Is your phone still working?
Yes, that's what I was wondering, but I gave my baby mama with my wife. She gave them my number. They haven't contacted me yet though, so I guess I had to get on my number personally.
Yeah, and Commander, who's he need to reach out to?
If you just hang out, I can update before you leave today. We're almost done with the calendar.
Hang out for a few minutes and she'll give it to you. She'll get it from you because this is a you problem, right? Not a baby mama problem.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a seat back here. Let's start keeping it charged. All right, I got Uix Ga.
His attorney filed a conflict letter as well for this morning.
Yeah, how's it doing, Commander?
No issues, Your Honor.
Okay, Boston.
No new arrest, Judge. He's had it on since 7/4/23.
All right, sir, keep up the good work.
Okay, cool.
All right, thank you. And I'll let Judge Farmer know that you've had it on since 7/4/23, okay?
Am I dismissed?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you.
I got Manuel Rendan Cortez.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
Here on that, Manuel's here. I
Oh.
don't think we have any issues.
What we got, Boston?
7/9/23, no new arrests.
All right, what about Commander?
No issues, Your Honor.
Look at that. Good job. How long?
Judge, going forward, is there a way that I'm able to appear via WebEx or something for these hearings if possible? There've been no issues?
You know, we all barely made Zoom work. You think you think they can make WebEx work? So, well, it'll still be a few more months until he's even, it'll be after the first of the year? By the time he rotates back on? Like, we said we can't put it out till like, what, March? We'll see if we can't put it out till March, okay?
All right, cool. Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Kelsey, you don't like putting Kelsey?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. He wants to come,
As much as I love scrambling for a parking spot.
he wants to come WebEx.
Last minute, I'm sorry?
He wants to come WebEx. He's fancy. Have a good one, Council.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
All right. Kesha Watson.
No, mine.
She's on Zoom.
What? Oh, yeah. Kesha Watson. There we go. Ms. Watson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kate Hayden on behalf of Mrs. Watson.
Hello.
All right. All right. What's up, Boston? Pre-trial.
Got at 10/3/23, no new arrests.
And Commander?
No known violation, Your Honor. We don't have an address for the victim. If the court could provide that, not necessarily right now, but today, so that we can make sure that the stay away is happening.
You live out of state, right, Ms. Watson?
Yes, I live in Los Angeles, California, in Inglewood. I've been here since
Okay, stand by.
10/23.
So, but we'll look, okay? Because I'm pretty sure, okay, yeah, we'll look and get that. Okay. I'll also ask Judge Williams about this, okay, Ms. Hike?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Were you
Yeah, I
addressing
said
me?
I'll also ask Judge Williams about this since you sat it on since 2023.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms. Watson, have a good day. All right, now I've got Antoine Hart.
Antoine Hart, please come to court. We want force. Judge, I did run Mr. Hart. He has a warrant out of Texas, but there's no extradition. No extradition.
There's a judicial hold on this case already.
He does? Yep.
Stand up, sir. What's your question? What am I know?
You're waiting to give him your address or your new phone number, so stand by. All right, stand by. So, Mr. Jenkins, I think he's already,
Well, Judge, since there's well, let me ask, Ms. Bostic, that's a judicial hold. Do you know the basis for the judicial hold?
I gave him, it's a judicial hold on this case.
Right. Why
Yeah,
was
what's-
the issue? Was it for FTA? What was?
Where's that paperwork? You still have that paperwork right there? Because I don't have it pulled up. Did I, officer? Mr. Hart. The judicial hold is attached to it, is why I'm asking.
for this, for here, for, oh, for Judge Warwick?
Yeah. This is the last page, door.
Thank you, Ms. Bostic. I see. All right, let's see here. Failure to appear. Your Honor, we would just request a further notice of an active failure. FTA is from the originating courtroom. There's no necessary need for us to put in an additional one for this process.
All right. Christian Dixon. Christian Dixon.
Christian Michael Dixon, please come to court. We want to court Judge Around this subject. This subject has 3 warrants and another 2 possible. One out of Rockdale County, Philadelphia Superior, one out of Fulton County, Philadelphia Superior, one out of Bucks County forgery, and 2 other possible warrants where he used aliases.
All right. Yeah, it looks like he failed to appear on the October calendar. October 3rd, so it's already in judicial hold.
Your signature, isn't it?
Yeah. That is my
I can see
signature.
that from me.
You know, but where was the bench warrant? I see the judicial hold, but where was the bench warrant? Ms. Shavens? I see the judicial hold notice, but where was the bench warrant? All right, so we'll do a bench warrant then.
If one doesn't exist. that's
No,
the
if
state's-
there's a judicial hold order, but there's no bench warrant to go
Right.
with it.
So if there is no bench warrant prior, just a judicial hold, then yes, state will request that.
All right, I got a couple more people here and I'm through the very short morning calendar, so. Oh, yeah.
That's number 2.
So you've already got it off, right?
Oh, I'm paying it.
Today, yeah, okay, so this is number 2 that Judge Lefford said remove his?
Okay, I get it. Position number 2.
So we're gonna remove it today?
Yeah, that's the one Judge Lefford wants removed, and we'll do the order for it, so it'll get in there too, okay? All right, you can go on up here, and she'll get to you just 1 second. Let's see, what about you? You're here for somebody else?
I believe she's here for the young gentleman in custody, so I'll speak with her.
Oh, okay, I mean, that's the whole thing, so who's in custody?
Argbo is what the deputy told me.
Oh, that's this afternoon?
No, actually, one.
He's not, okay, it's not on this one, so hold on.
So, you know, I wrote it the right.
I don't remember those.
It's who just have to do for.
I don't see it.
It's in there.
So, I mean, who is it that's in jail?
His name is Fenty Carbo.
It's not on
What's
that.
the number? 2519136.
She is up there, to have a moment.
I'm sorry, Miss, what's his name, first name again?
FINT.
What's the book number again? I'm sorry. 251.
She's 2519146.
You need a lot of.
Yeah, I guess so. I didn't know he was added on. Okay,
This is an add-on.
yeah.
It's not coming up for me. That's not right ad.
Let's see. 2. Ankle monitor, do you have anything for this person? I don't know, Miss, maybe I wrote it down wrong, but hold on. Carpo, right? CARPO? Okay. FENTI? Let's see.
Is he in on an FTA already?
Okay, maybe I don't know. It's not coming up for me.
It's 25PI. We don't think they're like 254.
He's in custody on an FTA already.
All right. From here?
Yes, Judge. He's been in since 10/20.
Oh, okay. Who's his, let's say, who's his lawyer?
Danny Poser. What's his name?
He was just released 7/8/25, but he's back in on an FTA
Hold
as
on.
of 10/20.
Look at this. All right. So. We've been in since 10/20. Right, October 20th? Yeah?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so it's Fenty Carg, KARGBO, Madam Court Reporter. And the first name is FENTI. All right. So let's see, we reinstate your bond with a new ankle monitor. What are you gonna do?
I have some information for the court. This is his sister. His attorney attached and showed me that the original bond order had his correct address and the bonding company had his correct address. But unfortunately, the notice was returned. So this was not a willful failure to appear. Obviously, he's been in jail now for 15 days. He lives at the address with the sister that he provided. And so we're just asking the court at this time to release him.
Let's see, ankle monitor, when he had it on, was he keeping it charged?
Check, Your Honor.
See, we'll check real quick, okay? Because you got to keep it charged. It's twice a day, 1 hour each time.
Your Honor, it looks like he was keeping it charged.
All right, so we'll just, we'll reinstate his bond. You okay with that, Mr. Jenkins?
No objection, Judge.
All right, who is this one? Who is this assigned to?
What judge?
Yeah.
Pre-indictment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. All right, so we'll, now, it'll probably be later this evening. How long does it take to process him out?
We always say within 24 hours, Judge.
Okay,
Within
so,
24 hours.
so sister, just go home and wait on him to call you, okay? Because I don't want you hanging out at Rice Street, just waiting, pacing back and forth, okay? So if you just going home, he'll call you when he gets all processed out, okay? All right, so we'll reinstate your bond, get an ankle monitor back on you, okay?
Thank you, my honor.
All right. All right, thank you, ma'am. All right, that's it for the morning calendar. Yes.
All right, we'll see you at 1:30. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Yeah, absolutely, and then it was only like 22 people on it. Madam Court Reporter, you need anything from me? Could you?
No, but I would like counsel to come say their first and last name. I got Miss Bostic, Madam Ankle Monitor. I can't see her.
On which
I don't know her
case?
name.
Oh, the one that's answering to all the cases?
Yes.
From the public defender? Miss Feely, Madam Court Reporter, I want you to put your name on the record, spell it.
And I actually have some other things to put on the record while we're here. So my name is Lee Feely, Lee, F as in Frank, Eeley. I again just want to reiterate that I am not able to get the violations
Yeah,
ahead
hold
of
on. Did you
time.
get all that, Madam Court Reporter? Did you get all that? Okay, I just want to make sure she got your name first.
And I was just speaking with Mr. Jenkins, who said it's nothing personal, but I don't care whether it's personal. It's a due process issue. We have got to be able to have the violations. And if they're not in Odyssey, and then the ankle monitor company comes in with 23 pages of violations that I haven't discussed with my client, it's not like me being difficult.
Did you
It's
talk
a-
to her?
Yes, I've asked her.
And what does she say?
Well, I'm gonna ask her again
I
on the
mean,
record if I
the
can,
ankle monitor
if I
person,
may.
what does she say? Did she say,
She's given me cards. She's told me to email her and I've never gotten anything. So I
right.
would like to put this on the record. We could do it this afternoon if we need to, but I want her answer on the record because this is
Okay.
a due process issue.
All right,
It's not
so-
Your Honor, it's.
yeah, so what about, we go ahead and let her do that. We let the court reporter go and we'll put it
Sure,
on this
we can do it this
afternoon.
afternoon. That's
So we'll put it back on this afternoon, okay, Madam Court Reporter?
Drakeford.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put on the record about why we can't have a violation ahead of time.
I don't.